give you all a quick tech tip. This is my Stoeger M3k shotgun here. I got a little close here. If you've got one of these, and despite the many videos out there that show you can just pull this out and you're having issues even when you do that little trick where you push the bolt down, try to remove that, you can see I've marred this up trying to pry it out or grab it with some pliers. A trick that I learned that's worked well so far is to wrap shoelace around the bolt, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, forgive me. And wrap it around, secure it. I'll put a little knot in it here. Once you have that secured, you should be able to just kind of give it a pull and it'll come off. Notice the bolt can now freely come out. Be careful. As you see, I've just launched mine across the room. I'm going to go find it. But that's the tech tip for today. Try to do that without doing like I did and launching it across the room. But if you can't get that bolt out of your Stoeger M3k or M3000, using that shoelace trick works really well. Thanks a lot. If you like this video and the stuff that's on our channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the button, like the video, and as always, stay safe when you see out on the range.